Hi, my friends. It's Elena here with Spiro. I'm here to lead you through a nice little routine that you can do in bed at the end of a long day or any time that you need to take some time for yourself to stretch and breathe and relax. Research shows that stretching just before bed is an excellent time to stretch because it releases the tension and stress of the day and it resets your muscles and your nervous system to set you up for better sleep and relaxation of the nervous system. So just come onto your back, come into your bed, come onto your back. And as always, you want to start with 3 slow, deep breaths. So take a nice deep breath in and exhale. Let go of the day, breathing in and breathing out. Allow yourself to concentrate on the breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. Conscious breathing is one of the best ways to relieve stress. Okay, so then we're going to gently lift your knees up, place the Spiro around your knees, and use your hands to bend the handles in to create some resistance, pulling your knees to your chest. And just take a moment here to breathe here, feeling the knees kind of bounce a little bit. And then we're going to do some circles. So just rotate the knees off to the right. We'll do 3 circles to the right. Keep your breath flowing. And 3 circles to your left. Even if you're in a bed, that's fine. Yes, it's nice to be on a firm surface like a yoga mat or on the ground. But if you're in your bed, that's totally fine. You still get the benefits. Bringing your knees back to center. We're going to extend the left leg out onto your bed. Put the right foot in the Spiro. We're going to start by putting just the toe side, close to the toes. And we're going to gently stretch your calf by flexing the foot and then pointing it. So this is good to relieve the tension from the calves and to strengthen the heel and the foot. Let's do 3 of those. Okay, and then we're going to move the Spiro to the arch of the foot. And find your stretch. You can see how light and loose the Spiro is. It's very bendy and stretchy. So just start by finding a gentle stretch here and begin to breathe. Focus your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. And each time you exhale, you want to visualize these muscles relaxing, the muscles in your hamstrings, behind your knees, and your calves. So breathing in and breathing out. Find a stretch. Once that relaxes, you can stretch a little further, but don't overstretch. This is really just giving your body a chance to stretch the muscles that have contracted during the day from lack of awareness or stress. Okay, then we're going to open up this right leg off to the right. Now you can see I'm holding on with 2 hands here. That's one way you can do it. Another way is to just release your left hand and let your right leg open up. And then if you're super flexible, you can hold up here and do the same stretch. And you also have the purse hold, we call it. You put your elbow in and let your leg open. But whatever stretch you're doing, I like to hold it right here. Just breathe and relax. So stretch. Nice deep breathing. And relax. Relax your shoulders. Relax your tummy. Relax your hips. And allow the leg to drop. Relaxation is a skill that you can practice, and that's what we're going to be doing each time you watch this video and stretch along with me. Slowly coming up, take a breath, notice if everything's feeling fine. If it is, let's go the other way. You can hold on with 2 hands, dropping your right leg off to the left. We're on the same leg, or you can pick the other ways to hold in the opening by your foot. You can see the opening up here by your foot. You can drop your leg over, open your right arm, and just breathe. Your leg might just come right here. It might want to drop all the way to the ground. Everyone's different, so just listen to your body. Breathe. Okay, you can also use that purse hold here, but just focus on your breath and relax. Breathing in and breathing out. Relax this right hip. And then we're going to slowly come on up. Once you learn this routine, which is the routine that's inside the label of your Spiro. You won't need the video anymore. Stretch and then gently release. Lift your left leg up. Put the Spiro right at the base of the toes and just take a couple of breaths to stretch your calf and the Achilles tendon area to avoid plantar fasciitis. Point and flex. You're using a little bit of resistance by pulling on your hands. Good. And then let's move the Spiro to the arch of the foot. Ease the leg towards you. Find a stretch. And go back to concentrating on your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Okay, then we're going to open the leg off to the right. I'm going to hold on right here for those of you who are beginners. It looks like this. You're going to drop your leg open, push your right heel away, push your left heel away if it feels good, and just breathe. Breathing in, breathe into your lower lungs. Once you don't feel a stretch anymore, you'll pull the Spiro, help it pull your leg a little higher. I like to put my elbow in here and just stretch open. It feels really nice. Breathe. I feel it in this right hip, so I'm going to just breathe and relax. And then slowly coming up. Then we'll switch sides. Dropping my left leg over to the right side. I'm going to be stretching that IT band. Breathe. Take your time. Concentrate on your breathing. Once you don't feel a stretch anymore, you can let your body drop a little more. Relax your low back. Relax your core. Keep breathing. Enjoy. This feels really good, especially right before you go to bed. So you're lengthening those hamstrings. Slowly come to center. Bend your right knee. Turn the Spiro sideways. Put both feet in, so it looks like that. Put both feet in. Let's see. And gently bend your elbows. You might have to go like this. That's fine if you're a beginner. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. Good. And just find your stretch. Like just right here is a really good stretch. It also is kind of an inversion. You're letting all the blood rush out of the legs and into the upper body to nourish your brain and the heart, the rest of your body. Just relax your shoulders, soften the face, and just breathe. If you don't feel a stretch here anymore, you can begin to bend your elbows, getting a deeper stretch, getting into your low back, helping to relieve any tension in the low back, also avoid any sciatic nerve issues. But be very gentle, move slowly, and stay connected to your breath. Okay, then this is a great time to do some core work. Having a strong spine is very important to the overall alignment of your body. Okay, so just gently bring your hands underneath your hips as you inhale. You're going to stretch your feet apart. Like if I didn't stretch my feet apart, the Spiro would drop. Stretch your feet apart as you inhale. Bring the heels almost to the ground. Exhale, lift. And just work. Do as many as you can. Inhaling down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, really focus on these core muscles and use them to lift your legs up. I'm going to do a few more, but you take a break if you need to, or do more if you like. Inhaling down, exhaling up. Inhaling down, exhaling up. And we'll do one more. Inhale, exhale, use your core muscles to come up. Let the Spiro drop to your ankles, bend your knees, grab hold underneath, roll your hips up to do a counter stretch. Walk your shoulders under. Yes, you can do this in your bed. I do it all the time. Breathe, relax. Relaxation begins in the mind. So as you focus on your breath and think about relaxing, your body will follow. So relax your shoulders, relax your face. And then slowly coming down. Let your tailbone be the last thing to come down. Take a breath. And then from here, I usually just extend my legs out and I go to sleep. This is a really nice way to end your day. Thank you for joining me.